Did you know that there are millions of free photos available on the internet that you can use to generate money right now? Presently, the photos in questions are those created by most well-known painters and artists, which you may easily and quickly sell to make money online. Now, this method is incredibly simple. It works anywhere on the earth and it does not require you to take photos by yourself. However, in order to get started with our method for today, you need a phone, a tablet, or a computer. So if you're curious about what I'm talking about, make sure you watch all the way to the end of this video. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Plug, where we connect you to anything that will help you earn quick money online. On this channel, we love to give away free money, and we're giving away $100 worth of gift cards in PayPal to 10 lucky people once our channel hits 15,000 subscribers. To enter this exciting giveaway, I need you to follow the exact instructions and unique code that are given in the middle of this video. So make sure you watch all the way to the end to know the exact approach. Now here are the winners for the previous $50 giveaways. Congrats! You just won for viewing all of my videos and entering unique codes. You can be the next one to win if you follow all the steps to enter the giveaways. Now, just before we dive into the tutorial, smash the thumbs up button if you like this kind of content. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell for you to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. Now, let's jump right into the video so I can show you everything. Today, we're going to talk about 5 different websites that can help you generate money online. And this is the first one. It's called freeimages.com. And it appears on your screen like this. This initial website will now provide you with free images that are not subject to copyright violations. These images can be sold on the final websites, which I'll provide later, so make sure you stick around until the finish. Now click this button that indicates stock and change it to fine arts by clicking the button right here. After that, you might try typing ocean into the search field. As you can see, each of these images is a painting. As a result, this is now the exact website where you may get photos of paintings by well-known painters for free. You'll notice as you scroll down that these images appears to be rather old and rusted, and that's exactly why we'll use them as a leverage to make some great money online, because our strategy for today is to enhance these photos and sell them to other platforms. So just follow along with me and pay close attention so that you can learn how to sell these photos online properly. Let's use this image as an example. Now, isn't it quite appealing? So all you have to do now is download it by hitting the download button up top. Now with that in mind, we'll need to visit the second website to enhance your image or any other photo of your choosing. By the way, this website is called photofilters.com. And this is a free website where you may enhance your downloaded photographs digitally to make them more appealing. By doing so, you will be able to earn more and more money online. However, keep in mind that enhancing your images will be very simple to accomplish, and I will teach you how to do it step by step, so that you will know exactly what to do. This is actually quite simple. To demonstrate, all you have to do is click File and then click Open afterward. After that, you can browse your computer for the photo you downloaded from freeimages.com and upload it here. As you can see, this is my downloaded photo from freeimages.com. And all I need to do now is click on Filters right here to enhance it. Following that, you'll see these filter options up top, which you can choose from. When you select autocorrect one, for example, it will apply to your image, and you can see that it has somehow already improved. But you can also choose from a variety of additional filters at the top, and it's entirely up to you. Now, if you want to enhance your image more, you can, of course, click this basic button right here. And from the drop-down menu, you should click on Blur and Sharpen. By doing so, you are enhancing the texture of your photo and increasing its focus. However, if you think that your photo still needs a little bit of shaping, you may drag the bar right here to adjust its sharpen quality to make it more presentable. After that, you may click on Apply. And finally, if your photo looks good for you, you can now download it for your computer by clicking the File button once more. and by clicking Save Image As from the drop-down menu. After clicking that, you can set the file name right here. And after that, you must select the file type to JPG right here. Then, by quality of your image, you should set it to 100% before finally clicking the Save Image button right below. Now with that said and done, I want you to keep an eye out because I'm going to show you two of the best and most well-known platforms that will compensate you for your enhanced photos. So make sure you pay close attention to what I'm about to say, especially with the tips and tactics that I'll provide. Now that your photo is complete and has been downloaded to your device, you may sell it to several online marketplaces to get some quick cash. Redbubble.com is the first website, and here is their homepage appears. This is a print-on-demand service that allows users to upload various graphics and a variety of garments and other products. If you go to Redbubble and type posters into the search bar, you'll be able to see all of the different types of posters that people are selling. And if you scroll down, you'll notice that there are a number of other kinds of pictures and posters for sale on this site. For example, if I type Van Gogh posters into the search field, all of these images that are for sale will appear. Take a peek at the images below. You can sell them for $15 or even $20, as you can see on your screen. I can tell you that all of these images are for sale, and you may sell your own retouched or enhanced photos here for a similar amount of money. Now, just before we go any further, if you've enjoyed the video so far, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to be entered to win $100, make sure to watch until the end of the video to find out the code word to enter and win. But for now, it's time to get back to work and continue making money. Now let's move on to Etsy.com, which is the second website where you may earn $392 each day. This is a terrific website to which individuals come to list a wide variety of items. With Etsy, you can now find a range of images and paintings for sale at various rates. For example, if you click on this offered item right here below, you'll be able to see who is selling the item as well as the price for it. Now, if you take a look at the items, you may notice that they are framed up like this one right here. So if you want your own photos to be sold like this for $10 to $50, you should come over to a website called Printful.com. This exact platform will allow you to integrate your products with other marketplaces like Amazon, Etsy, and others. Now by selecting the integrations section right here, you can take a look at their online marketplaces. Now as you can see, you can integrate your image from this website to Etsy.com. That essentially means that when you upload your photos here, this platform will create the item for you as a frame, and they're going to ship it to whoever buys your item from Etsy.com. This step is actually an absolute game changer for our method today, so make sure you follow it. You must now click Start Selling from Printful's homepage in order to begin using the platform. After that, you'll be taken to this website where you'll need to type posters into the search bar. After that, you'll be presented with all of these distinct categories right here. You must, however, draw your attention to the Home and Living category, which is located right here. As you can see, you have these frame posters design makers area right here, which you must select. After that, you'll be taken to this page where you can select the frame that you prefer. So let's imagine you wanted to use one of these frames. After you've selected your desired frame, you can now select the various styles and sizes that you want for it. Now that you have decided on size and style you want, you can click this button right here that says Drop Your Design. After that, you'll upload your enhanced photo to this page. After you uploaded your photo, you'll notice that our image is now framed by this website. After that, you can start generating the image by clicking this button right here. After hitting that button, you'll be taken to this page where you can select your frame's mock-up style. You can select to create images that are held by a person, displayed in your home, hung on your walls, and so on. After you've chosen your mock-up style for your frames, you can now scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the red Generate Files button to save them to your device. Finally, now that you have your photos framed and ready on your device, it's time to return to Etsy.com or Redbubble.com. and begin uploading your images so that you can begin selling them to a large number of people and earn $392 every day online. And that sums up today's tutorial. Now onto the giveaway. If you want to be entered to win one of 10 $100 gift cards, all you need to do is subscribe to our channel, like this video, and comment the code word photo revenue. Once again, enter the code word photo revenue, and you'll be entered to win once we hit 15,000 subscribers. It's that easy. And if you would like more chances to win, there are more code words and other videos on our channel, so be sure to watch some of our other recent uploads if you want a better chance of winning. For more content like this, go on and check out my other videos too, so you'll maximize your results in making that big pile of cash straight into your accounts.